Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So starting from today, we'll be embarking on a new series called Leroy Nowhere. And for today's first episode, we will be going to the eastern part of Singapore. So the two places I have in mind is actually IKEA as well as Changi Airport. So without further ado, let's go! Alright, so we have now reached IKEA and we are going to take a quick bite. Let's go! Chicken wing as well as 12 meatballs to share, and personally I think that they are one of the best food to have here in IKEA. As you can see, right now there's not a lot of people because this is public. Alright, so this is the overview of the basement. Yep. Hi ma'am, I would like to have one of these.
Sorry, it's closed. I can't open it.
Alright, so that's the end of our trip to IKEA. So moving on to our next place, Changi Airport. Yay! we are here at Jewel. Now we're at SUSHI TEI and we'll be having our dinner over here. Our food is here. So firstly we have one chamushi. We ordered 2 cups of hot green tea, 1 salmon don, 1 lobster salad, 1 spicy scallop, the mentaiko squid, 1 soft shell crab, and 1 California hand roll, and 1 plate of sashimi. And yeah, that's about it. So we'll start eating now. Alright, so if you're coming to SUSHI TEI, I recommend you trying out the salmon slices. So because I think it's very nicely sliced as well as it is really fresh as well. So yeah. I recommend you is the mentaiko squid. It actually comes in 2 flavors. One is the mentaiko flavor and the other one is the teriyaki sauce flavor. So why I recommend this is because I personally prefer the mentaiko flavor one. So yeah, let me do a taste test. The squid actually very chewy. And yeah, I love chewy food. So it's really one of the must order dishes when I come to SUSHI TEI. Another dish, and this is actually the mentaiko salmon with the egg omelette and some crab meat at the bottom. Wow! And it's only about $7 plus. Woo. Oh, as you can see, all the shops are closed. So right now I guess we'll be heading back home. Come to the end of this episode. Do remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So we'll see you in the next vlog then. Bye bye.